It's one of the reasons why I decided to start making videos, because I am no one special. I am not a professional chef or a professional baker. I have an entirely different career, but I love to cook and it brings me so much joy. Cooking and baking in particular seems really unapproachable to some people. It's just interesting thinking about what people think, their inner narratives, and what they think they can and can't do based on not really even having tried. What's the worst that can happen? You mess up a dinner, or you have to scrap a cake and go to the store and buy one. The stakes are really low, the consequences are really low, but people seem to be really afraid to cook. To me, food is really tied into community. It's tied into celebration. And if I like you, I'm gonna cook for you. If I don't like you, I'll probably cook for you anyway. So my hope through this channel is that I inspire you to experiment a little bit. You don't have to make any of the recipes that I make, but if you're inspired to try something that sounds good or interesting to you, and realize that someone who's been cooking for 35 years still makes mistakes, and that's okay. If that inspires you to start cooking, like, my job is done. That's amazing.